Hello, Judy. Sorry you're having so much problem with Zamzar. I just wanted to walk through this in a screencast, so hopefully this will help. Really, this is an easy tool to use for any file conversion. So if you just go to the site zamzar.com and click on Add Files, you shouldn't be prompted for any payment at all. So skip the sign up or log in up here if that's where you had gone. But just hit Add Files. I'm going to choose this PDF that I have on my desktop. Hit Open, and you can see it's added the PDF. Now I want to select in step 2 the Convert To, and I'm going to convert that to a docx, so Word doc, and then hit Convert Now. You can see that it's converting here. Now that it's done converting, I can just hit Download, and I can save this document to my desktop. And it's pulled it down to the bottom of the screen. If I click on it now, I would enable editing so I can edit this document in Word. So it's pretty quick and easy. Again, if you're having problems with it, just give us a call. We'll be here today. We're going to be working from home starting next Monday. So just call the office, leave a message. We don't have our phone forwarded, but you can leave a message and we'll get the message and call you right back. So hope this works, and yeah, just give us a call or send me an email if not. Thanks.